Morimoto just launched the all-new X3B for the Ram. It's the 19 and up Rams, and I gotta admit that even though it is bright as hell outside right now, this looks intense. This is such a beautiful product. It's a UV-resistant polycarbonate lens, so when it's bright outside, you're not gonna have any fading or any issues. The coolest part is it's got 4 jewel-like optics for the brake lights, and they are intense. One of my favorite additions that you can get for the brake light function is this rapid flash module. Essentially, every time you hit the brakes in your truck, it's going to rapidly flash a few times and then hold solid. It is an additional SKU. There's a drop-down menu. Just make sure you get that rapid flash module. It's not much more expensive, and if you're going to install this, you might as well install it. It plugs in line with the factory wiring, and it's really plug and play. No cutting, no splicing, none of that junk. Now, if you're like me and you actually do work with your truck at nighttime, you're hauling stuff around, you're going to Home Depot, you do want a little bit more light illumination in your bed. And the cargo lights on here are super bright. They're 3-watt LEDs which illuminate the bed area. Not to mention this entire housing is LEDs, so you're not replacing incandescent bulbs all the time when they burn out. If you know how to turn a Phillips screwdriver, I think you can get this thing installed. It's super easy. There's a 3M backing on a gasket that you do have to install, but other than that, it all plugs in inline. Take your original one off, slap it all together, put the other one back on, and then you've got it upgrade. This is probably the easiest upgrade you can actually do to this Ram, and we've tested a lot of lighting products at Headlight Revolution. We're not just blowing smoke. We've got headlights, tail lights, fog lights, off-road lights, pod lights, interior lights. So much for the Ram. We love the Ram. Go check it out at headlightrevolution.com.